Welcome back to A4A2 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the VCR effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to the Effects tab, Video Effects, scroll down to TV, and then scroll down on this category to find the VCR effect. Should be on the bottom. Click and drag it down to the timeline, rather Command Z on that. Click and drag it down to the timeline. I'm getting a phone call right now and it's a scam likely call, so I'm going to put it down. Now, back to this, we're going to increase this effect all the way to the end of the clip. And then now we're going to go up to the Special Effects tab, and we can mess with the filter, the lateral chromatic aberration, the sharpen, the speed, and the longitudinal chromatic aberration. So I'm not going to mess with these. I think this type of effect needs to be used the way it comes. Let's take a look at it. And there you have the VCR effect. Guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. And I definitely wasn't born in 1990. I'm actually 26 years old. This is a little too old for me. November 28th. I wonder what happened on that day. Anyways, guys, have a great day.